Oh boy, one of my favorites, variance analysis. Welcome everyone to this wonderful lesson. This is just, we've got variances, right? Variance formulas. Net income is X and you want it to be Y. What's the variance between the budget and actual? Your variance between what you expected and the actual result. This is super important. If you're a business, you want to understand where it all went wrong or, where it all went right. I mean, right? That makes pretty much sense. We've got variances in the cost of direct materials, direct labor. What's the variance between the price that you thought you could sell a product for versus the price that it actually could sell for? Lots of these to memorize, but as I say, this is a great thing. If you memorize these formulas, those are free points in the exam, right? Variances, very common to get, 5 or 6 questions just on these. Plug and chug, just bang the formulas out, and you'll get those free points. Let's cover our learning objectives right now. As you see, it's quite simple here. Important, but simple. We want to determine the appropriate variance analysis method to measure the key cost drivers by analyzing business scenarios. So again, labor, we expected to pay $13 an hour. We actually had to pay $15 an hour, or it took us 80,000 hours to complete all the units, and we expected it to be 70. Keep in mind for variances, generally when you are inputting them into sims or multiple choice questions, you're going to enter them as positive, even if it's a negative variance, right? So, even if you had less net income than you thought you would, you're still going to enter as positive, and then generally you're going to tag it as unfavorable. But obviously, it's an unfavorable variance to have lower net income than expected. Just a note there. Secondly, we want to analyze price, labor, and efficiency variances through standard, budgeted, and actual rates and amounts. That being said, let's dive into the section I like to call your basket of free points. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.